right, so we're learning about discount today. It's not a whole lot different from sales tax and tip. But can you guess what might be different, Tony? Yeah, you're going to be subtracting from the total instead of adding. A discount, you're saving money, so that means you're paying less than the original price. But a tax and a tip means that you're paying more than the original price, so you're adding that back. Okay. So just to start off with, discount is the amount by which the regular price, this is just a simple definition, the regular price of an item is reduced. The amount by which the regular price of an item is reduced. And then to find that sale price, like we said, you are going to subtract that from your regular price. Whoops, written the twice. Alright, so example 1, we want to find the price of a $69.50 tennis racket. And it's going to be on sale for 20%. All caught up? Okay, so step 1, what we want to do is we want to find the discount. So how much money are we actually saving? So we're going to do that exactly how we found tax and tip. What did we do? You multiply the original price by whatever percent it's on sale. Okay. So in this case, I've got $69.50 times the 20%. And remember, it's very important that you actually type that 20% sign in your calculator. So I've got let's turn it on. $69.50 times 20% gives me $13.90. So you have to add that 0. So that $13.90, that is your discount. That is how much money you are saving. But that's not what you're paying. They're asking us to find the sale price. So how much are you actually paying? So second, we want to subtract. Write down these steps, because when you're looking at your homework and you look at your your notes, and it doesn't have any of this, you're not going to know how you got it. The whole point of notes is so you can look back at it later and figure out exactly what you did. So what did you say this was?
55.60.
That is your sale price. So that is how much you are actually paying. So the only difference is you're just subtracting in your final step instead of adding. When we did tax and tip, you added that. Okay. Questions? Okay, one more example. We have a $32.45 shirt. And it is at a 15% discount. And then, of course, we want to find the sale price. Are you good? All right, so what's the first thing I want to do?
32.45 times 15%.
Good. You want to multiply that original price by whatever percent off. Oops. 15%. Okay. So we're dealing with money, so what do you think you need to do here?
Round.
You need to round. For some reason, we still cannot understand how to round. Do you need this last 5 here? No, forget about it. What does that 7 tell you about the 6? Move the 6 up 1. So what does this become?
4.87.
4.87, so $4.87. Is that my answer? No. What do I need to do now? Subtract it from what? From your original price. So $32.45 minus $4.87. What are you paying? $27.58. That's pretty good.
I have a question. Like, I did it 4.87 minus 32.35, and I got negative 4, but can I put that as
No, okay, we're talking about money, so that means you would be owing the store. The store would be owing you $27.58. It cannot be negative.
What if you get it for 101% off?
Any questions?
Please just buy it.
Be free.
What if it's 150% off?
They give you
And they'll be giving you 50% of the price.
To pay yourself with.
That would be nice, if only that would actually happen. Alright, one more example. Alright, I've got a $98 tent. It is discounted 40%. And let's think about this logically. If I go to the store and I buy a $98 tent and it's on sale, is that exactly what I'm going to be owed? Or what I'm going to be charged?
It's going to be like 98. Isn't there a 9?
There is always a tax, right? So we're going to add that in there.
It's a 90%.
We have a 4.5% tax.
What? Oh, wait, that's less. Isn't it 9% in all?
Yes.
But you can't add those together, can you?
Yeah, you can. Quick maths.
No. Nathan asked, can you add these percents together? When we did tax and tip, yes, we did. But if you think about it, are you going to be taxed of the original price of the tent, or are you going to be taxed based off of the sale price? You're going to be taxed based off the sale price. So this is a 4-step problem. Okay. So step 1, we have to find the discount. How much money it's discounted. Okay. So Act like we don't have tax here. Nothing's changing yet. I need to find out what is 40% of $98. So I'm going to multiply the two together.
39.2.
So $39.20. Okay. That $39.20 is the money you are saving.
And then we gotta do.
So that's how much it's on sale. So step 2 is to find the actual sale price. How much are you paying for the tent? So how are we going to find the sale price?
39. I got mine.
You want to take the original price, the $98, and you're going to subtract the money you're saving. So minus $39.20.
Oh, I thought it was $2. So whichever one you got.
So what is that? $58.80. So $58.80 is the sale price. Okay? That's how much you would be paying before you are getting taxed. So nothing has changed so far, but now this is where it's about to change. I have a 4.5% tax. So like we said earlier, we are not getting taxed on the $98. We're getting taxed on this sale price. So we need to find what is 4.5% of the sale price.
So 58.80 divided by?
No, just like we found tax yesterday. How did we find tax?
58.80.
You take whatever the original price is. In this case, we're taking our sale price because it's on sale. So you've got $58.80, and you're multiplying it by the tax, which is 4.5%. Yes, that is perfectly fine. So this $58.80, remember that this is our sale price. This 4.5% is the tax, the percent of tax. So when I multiply the two together, what do you get? Should be $2.65. Let's do it together. $58.80 times 4.5%. 2.646. So that 6 tells me the 4 to go up 1.
Am I just like dyslexic?
So this $2.65 is the amount of money you're paying in tax. So then the final step is to find the final price. How much are you actually paying the store for that tent? So in this case, you're going to add the tax to what? To the
original.
The original is on sale. So we're adding to the sale price.
Wow.
Can't fit this all on here. You have to add it to the sale price, not the original price. So my sale price was $58.80. The tax was $2.65. So my total amount, good, is $61.45. That is the final price of the tent.
Is that a good deal?
Yes. So if you're finding discount and tax, if you follow these 4 steps, you will be fine. But you have to do all 4 steps. You have to remember to find the actual sale price, find the tax of the sale price, and then add that tax back into the sale price. Okay? Any questions? Alright, your homework is page 357, numbers 1 through 4, 6 through 13. and number 18. I'm going to break it down for you in case you want to know what to do for each problem, which you should be able to read it and figure it out. But numbers 1, 2, and then 6 through 9, so that means number 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are going to be exactly like example 1 and 2. So those are just discount, so you're just having to multiply and then subtract. The rest of the numbers, so that means 3, 4, 10 through 13, and 18, those are like example number 3, where you have a discount and a tax. Okay. So this is just all the numbers you're doing. This is the breakdown of which examples to look in your notes if you get stuck. Okay. All right, that Mason's row and Heather's row. Y'all can go grab a book and get started.